Hey, my name's Jen and today we will go over speed, agility, and quickness training. To begin, speed is the ability to move the body in one intended direction as fast as possible. Both stride rate and length are taken into consideration in regards to speed. Stride rate is the number of strides taken in a given amount of time or distance, whereas stride length is the distance covered in one stride. Agility, on the other hand, is the ability to start, accelerate, stop, decelerate and stabilize, and change direction quickly, while maintaining proper posture. Agility requires high levels of neuromuscular efficiency. Lastly, quickness or reaction time is the ability to react and change body position with maximum rate of force production in all planes of motion and from all body positions during functional activities. Based on the OPT model, SAQ stabilization can include 4 to 6 drills, such as cone shovels and agility ladder drills, for 1 to 2 sets with 2 to 3 reps each and 0 to 60 seconds rest. Strength can include 6 to 8 reps using exercises such as T-drills, box drills, or stand-up drills for 3 to 4 sets, 3 to 5 reps each, and as well 0 to 60 seconds rest. Lastly, SAQ power training can be used for 6 to 10 drills, such as partner mirror drills and time drills, 3 to 5 sets with 3 to 5 reps of each, and make note of the difference, 0 to 90 seconds rest. An exercise which can be used for speed training includes sprint ball drops. Have the client begin facing you at least 10 feet away from one another. As the trainer, hold a small tennis ball or an object that can be dropped. When dropping the ball, have the client spring forward and sprint in attempts to catch the ball. This exercise can easily be progressed by having the client stand in line with you, while as the trainer, you throw the ball forward and essentially have the client chase after it as fast as possible. To incorporate different stimuli, you can have 2 different balls in which only you as the trainer know which one will fall. This stimulates the client to have to pay attention in response to visual stimuli, sprint forward. Now, a second exercise, looking to target agility training, includes a simple childhood game of British Bulldog. Between you and the client, switch each round between being the tagging person and the person attempting to run to the other side. The individual who is it is to stand in the center of whichever area you play in, while the person running stands along the edge. When the person who is it calls British Bulldog, the other individual is to attempt to run across the space without being tagged. This is great as it requires each individual to start, accelerate, stop, decelerate, and change directions often in an attempt to dodge being tagged. And to boot, there's no equipment needed. Lastly, an exercise in which can stimulate and train quickness is a modified box drill. For this exercise, you will need cones or any sort of marking agent to place in either a box position or in a different arrayed pattern. Number each marker that you have so that the client can easily recognize which one is which. Have the client begin at a certain marker, it doesn't matter which one. Proceed to then call out a number in which the client is to sprint to immediately. The trainer can easily integrate vocal stimulus by saying the number that they need to go to, or they can switch to showing the client which marker to go to, using the fingers to project a different number.